In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the project due date in Asana. This is a very useful skill to master, especially if you're part of a team that works extensively with project management on this platform. Whether you have an updated timeline that needs to be reflected, or you're merely reorganizing your project's schedule, this straightforward process will help you keep everything in check with just a few clicks. Firstly, open the Asana project for which you need to change the due date. Once you're looking at your project, direct your attention to the upper section of your screen. Here, you'll see the project title clearly displayed. What you want to do next is click on the caret icon, which you'll find right next to the project title. This icon is a small arrow that points downward. It looks a bit like the letter V, and it's your gateway to more detailed settings within your Asana project. Once you've clicked on the caret icon, a drop-down menu will appear, offering you several options. You want to navigate through this list and select Edit Project Details. This is essentially the control center for your project, where you can modify various aspects. After selecting Edit Project Details, you'll be taken to a new screen. It's here that you will find the option to modify your due date, among other project elements like the project description and team members. Direct your attention to the due date field. By clicking on this, you'll enable editing mode, allowing you to easily adjust the dates as needed. Now it's time to specify the new start and end dates for your project. Begin by setting the start date, which is crucial because it marks the commencement of your project timeline. Choose the date that best fits your updated schedule or the one you've coordinated with your team. Then, move on to the end date, which reflects the new completion target for your project. This is important for keeping everyone aligned and aware of the timeline they are working towards. Once you've adjusted both the start and end dates to match your current project needs, you're all set. There's no more to it. As you can see, this process is pretty straightforward. Remember, in project management, clarity and timeliness are key to success, and being able to reflect these changes quickly in Asana helps ensure everyone stays on track. With these quick adjustments, your team can continue working seamlessly with a clear understanding of the revised expectations and deadlines. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Now you have the knowledge to update your Asana project due dates with ease. I hope you found these steps clear and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your projects efficiently.